guys, Ishpreet here. Welcome back to Slick and Natty. In today's video, I'm going to share a very amazing and easy DIY with you all. I had seen this idea on Pinterest long time back and just came back to my mind, and I thought, why haven't I shared it with you guys till now, because it's so easy. So in this video, I'll show you how you can convert old men's t-shirt into a flowing, stylish jacket for girls like this. In just 2 minutes, and the only two things that you require for this DIY are an old round neck men's t-shirt and a pair of scissors. That's it. So go and take out your father's, your brother's, your husband's, your boyfriend's old t-shirts and follow me as I show you what to do with these. For this DIY, you should take a t-shirt which is either plain or is printed all over like this one. It should not be the kind of t-shirt which has a one-off design or one-off motif somewhere in the center or on the side like this one here. A round neck t-shirt will be preferred, but you can also take a V-neck t-shirt as long as the neck is not very deep, and a collar t-shirt can also be taken if it doesn't have buttons. Also, the t-shirt should be at least large in size or even bigger than that. The larger the t-shirt, the better it will be. I have here taken a double XL t-shirt. Okay, so the first step is to cut off the hemmed part or the panel on the neck. Cut off the panel from the back side of the neck as well. And remember, if you take a V-neck or a collared t-shirt, in that case also you should cut the neck in circular shape. So we have removed the entire panel from the neck now, and it has become a circular opening like this. The t-shirt necks are less deep in the back side than they are in the front, so we will cut a little more on the back side so that the overall circle becomes larger. And now we will cut off and remove the sleeves. Similarly, remove the other sleeve as well. So now we have removed both the sleeves and the neck panel, and this is how the t-shirt should look now. Finally, cut along the side seams to open up the t-shirt from the sides. Do this for the other side as well. And your jacket is now ready. All you have to do is to open up the t-shirt so that it looks like this. And you don't even need to hem the edges on the neck and the sleeves where you had cut, because the jersey fabric of the t-shirt rolls up itself on the edges when it is worn or stretched. Okay, so now let me tell you how to actually wear this as a jacket. Open this up like this and put it behind your neck. Make sure that both the sides are of equal length, and now pass your arms through the circular opening that we had got by cutting out the neck. And voila, your jacket is ready. It is as simple as this. And in case you feel that the neck is tight for you when you pass your arms through it, then all you have to do is to make the circular opening larger by cutting more along the neck. So here I have cut a little more of the neck on the back side, and the circular opening has become larger. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, do connect with me on my Instagram account, which is Slick and Natty. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.